Welcome, I'm Clive Tuffin, Business Development Director at Premcrete Ltd. We're glad to release the first of our tutorial videos, which we're providing to the specification market. If you're a structural engineer or an architect, doubtless you've had challenges in the past of understanding the interface of waterproofing to your structure. To this end, over the past 6 to 9 months, we've been working on establishing a series of drawings, which we're now releasing to the market, which are available in Adobe PDF format with a layer functionality which you may not have been familiar with in the past. This gives you the ability to be able to turn layers on and off depending on the type of waterproofing system that's being incorporated to your structure. So, it's time to get into the first tutorial. So firstly, for demonstration purposes, we have a typical section through a basement. A secant or contiguous pile with a capping beam, a reinforced concrete liner wall and a basement slab. And I want to show you some simple functionalities as to how the layers work and give you understanding as to where the waterproofing is positioned. So firstly, open the drawing, go to the arrow on the left-hand side of the screen to expand the options. You should then select the layers functionality. Expand this area and you will see the pre-selected layers which we have drawn onto this PDF drawing. As you'll be able to see, we can select a number of different systems and automatically it will show the positioning of the waterproofing on this typical detail. Firstly, we're going to demonstrate hydrophilic watertight concrete. As you can see from this detail, it's automatically filled the capping beam, the reinforced concrete liner wall and the basement slab, and incorporating water bars in their correct positions. Should we need a pre-applied external membrane, for example, we'll select the MaxiProof Plus. As you can see, this membrane is applied to the secant piled wall, under the basement slab, and to the back of the capping beam. However, in the instance that MaxiProof Plus is not the system that you're using, you're looking at an internal cavity drain system, we can simply turn off the layer and turn on the layer for the cavity drain system. On this example, it's showing an insulation being installed on top of the basement slab. In the instance that you might have a rebate within the perimeter of the basement slab, we also have that functionality to demonstrate within the layers too. Hopefully this gives you a very brief insight into how the layers can help you, as an architect or engineer, to understand the key interfaces that waterproofing has with your structure. And this can be a useful tool for you to integrate within your drawings in the future. Thank you.